Vehicle? Check out the 2020 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.